You'll notice my cake is wrapped up in plastic wrap. And I hear a lot of bakers really stress to their clientele, it's never been frozen. Well, for me, that's kind of a shame. Because what I do is when I have a cake cooling, instead of letting it sit on the cooling rack and let all of that steam evaporate and leave the air while my cake is cooling, so thus it's cooling and drying out, what I do is as soon as it's cool to the touch, about 10 to 15 minutes if the cake is smaller. Bigger cakes are a little bit more difficult because of their size, and so a little bit longer, but as soon as I can move them around, I will double wrap it in plastic wrap and stick it in my freezer. I never, ever, ever refrigerate any baked goods, but a freezer where it's stopping the process versus slowing the process like it is in the refrigerator, you're not going to dry out your cake. In fact, it's going to keep all of that steam from leaving the cake and staying in there, so you end up with a really moist cake. So that is my tip.